Welcome to our next episode of Box TV. This episode we have Rap-A-Lot and his brother, friend, DJ Watch What You Say. That's your name, right? DJ Watch What You Say? Okay. Rap-A-Lot is here to talk about some things, and we are here to listen and take notes. And he's been incarcerated for 10 years for a crime he said he never committed. Rap-A-Lot, what's up, man? What's up, man? Glad to be here, man. So Rap-A-Lot, how long you been working on this album? I've been working on this album for 2 years now, man.
Watch I told something there, man.
What?
We're bun to.
Man, shut the fuck up, nigga. Shut the fuck up, man. Two. What's the problem, son? Shut the fuck up. Fuck, man.
Bun to, dog. I'm there. No deal to.
Okay, so when you come out of jail, right, how did the community embrace you?
I ain't even gonna lie, man. The neighborhood showed me mad love.
Dog.
It's a community, dog. No,
shut the fuck
dog.
up,
It's a
son.
community where you live.
Shut the fuck up,
Bun
nigga.
neighborhood.
Fuck wrong with you? Neighborhood. My neighborhood, son. My neighborhood showed me love, nigga. What's wrong with that, nigga? Fuck, son. Shut the fuck up. Damn, son. So, how was it like leaving jail?
They had a welcome
Watch
home
I come
party.
something with the dog. Dog, what you do, dog? Say forward.
The fuck, nigga?
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Watch
Shut
what
up,
you say,
nigga.
dog.
You
Yo,
homophobic
that's
ass
what you say,
Jamaican.
man.
Shut the fuck up,
Nah,
nigga. You
man.
know I got
Nah,
bitches,
man.
nigga. I ain't no gay
No
nigga, son.
cunting
Shut the
around
fuck
here,
up,
dog.
nigga.
Where I deal
Fuck,
with?
nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Damn, son. What's wrong with you? So, how was the community party? What was that like?
That was fun, man. You understand? That was fun. I mean, they had lots of jerk chicken, but the steamed fish. I ate the fish like
fish
dog. No, yo. You go low.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
We don't eat fish.
Shut up,
we
nigga.
consume
What,
seafood.
nigga? I ate the fish, nigga.
Guys,
I ate the fish, nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Consume the fish, ate the fish, same shit, nigga.
Okay.
What, nigga?
Okay.
Damn,
Correct them
nigga.
talk, them, my
Hey,
brother.
gay, nigga. What you trying to say,
Watch
son?
what I said,
Shut
dog.
the fuck
All
up,
I
man.
say is correct them talk there.
Check me out, man. Rap-A-Lot, man. You know what I mean? I does my thing, man. Album coming out soon, man. I mean, we're working on it for like 2 years now. This nigga.
You can't make them talk there,
Nigga,
me, dog.
shut the
So
fuck up,
watch
nigga.
what I said, dog.
What's the problem,
man?
son?
Watch
Like,
them talk there,
what's
man.
the problem? I can say whatever I want, son. This is
nah,
America,
buddy.
nigga. What's
No,
wrong with
no.
you, nigga? I'm speaking English, nigga.
Watch
proper
that. Nah,
English, nigga.
dog.
You can't tell me not to say what I want to say, nigga.
You
How's
can't
that
let them
gay,
talk sleep
nigga?
out their mouth.
How's that gay, nigga? Shut the fuck up, nigga.
This has been another episode of Box TV. Don't forget to like, share. Sharing is also supported. Buy a Box t-shirt or two. Buy one for your friend. Check out War Professor on Box TV. War Professor on YouTube, IG, Twitter. Box. Don't move your face. Come down little bit. Nah, come at your party. All of those t-shirts on sale. You can get one today. Quote of the day. Don't pretend to be something or someone that you are not.
Just shut the fuck up, nigga.